So I'm back to oregano. One of the most favorite things I love to do with essential oils is to cook with them. You'll always find me in the kitchen making something and using the oils. You can see back here, this is where I store them. So I have them all here, all the cooking ones and other ones for first aid back here. So what I did today with I'm gonna do with the oregano, I chopped up some onions and some garlic. So I love to cook Italian. I learned a lot from my mom, but I always try and make a healthier version of her cooking. But don't tell mom. But here they are, chopped up onions and the garlic. So what I like to do is mix in a bowl some olive oil. You could do a tablespoon. I kind of just go by eye. And I have some thyme oil and oregano. So like when you make roller balls and sprays, if you go a drop or two over, it's not a big deal. But with cooking, you could ruin a whole dish. So if you're just a beginner, I would use a wooden toothpick and you would just put it into the orifice like this and then get like that and then stir it into your food. The same with the thyme. This way then you could add to it if you need more. So you would just stir it, you could use a smaller ramekin, but this is what you would do just to get the flavoring that you want. So here I'm gonna put the onions in here. I love to saute onions and garlic, so you could do that with to start any kind of meal, a soup or a chili. If you want to do chicken, saute chicken. I pretty much do this, and if I don't have the fresh herbs on hand, it's great I have the oils, right? So I put a little already of the oregano in there. So I'm gonna do another one, but if you like, I would use a spoon, because if you do make a mistake, you just rinse it and start over. So see, this oregano is a little slow. There's that. I'm gonna use one drop of thyme oil. If you have basil, you could do basil, you could do black pepper, you could do rosemary. Those are all great options. And then I'd mix it. And then I'm gonna saute it in the pan behind me. And I have some turkey. I'm gonna do ground up turkey. Mix it in. I'll use some maybe red kidney beans, make it a little, maybe make it a little chili for the family. I'll use some red kidney beans, but that's just it. Try, experiment with your oils. You'll see they have supplement facts. That means you can take them internally. Another great option if you want to do over bread. I'm trying not to eat so much bread lately, but you could do 4 tablespoons butter, a teaspoon of garlic, mix it all together, use 1 drop oregano, 1 drop basil, 1 drop thyme oil. Or if you don't have that, you just have one of the oils, use one of the oils and then use the dried herbs. Stir it together, put it over the bread, some chopped tomatoes, a little salt and pepper, and you have a little appetizer. So that's just it, but remember, a little goes a long way when cooking with the oils. So that's it. Enjoy. Don't be afraid to cook with your oils, and especially doTERRA oils. They're the purest ones, so you're in good hands. And oregano, like we said earlier, is a great oil for our immune system, boosting our immune system. It's a great antibiotic. It's nature's antibiotic. Okay, happy cooking.